Good evening, good afternoon, namaste, namaskar, namaskar. My name is Shubhoditya from Sikh Nation. I am going to basically get a black background to my Lake Malawi tank, right? Black is my favorite color and black looks amazing in an aquarium. I think of all the aquariums that I have or had, always had a black background because it brings out the contrast of the colors of your fish, especially if you have Lake Malawi cichlid. So with that said, thank you for tuning in. If you've landed on this video luck by chance, well, it's a good place to be in. Please think of clicking that subscribe button and the bell icon, and you will get a lot of information of my cichlid keeping experience and a few tips here and there. But the whole objective is to meet you guys, interact with you, learn from you, leave comments if you think otherwise, if you think, I don't know, a red background perhaps. But no, on a serious note, yes, would love to hear from you. So without wasting more time, let's jump straight to the video and see how this entire process pans out. So I've started draining the water out. This is the easiest part. So basically what I'll have to do is probably take out about 70% of the water, take the holy stones out, the holy rocks out, of course get the filters out, move this bed right up till there, and then again, you know, move this here so that I have enough space to work around and put the black background. So yeah, let's see how this goes. It's a nice weather out there. My fish are kind of used to water changes now, so they don't really stress out. They understand what's happening. Of course, they don't understand the fact that there will be a black background, but yeah, they kind of like it. They enjoy the water changes as well with me. Whew. a hot summer day and a long day's work, pushing around the bed, pushing the aquarium, but all of that I think has paid off to about 50%. I'll tell you why. Because I did a terrible job at putting the background sticker. There are air bubbles because I could not align it properly initially. It got stuck. You know what happens. So that's exactly what happened. Disaster. But looking at the brighter side, I think this disaster is not as bad as I thought, because when I look at it, you know, the background has, because of the air bubbles, there are certain shapes and formations which I'm enjoying behind my African cichlids. Thank you for watching again. Please leave a comment if you wish to. Any feedback, suggestion is welcome. I am here to share my experiences with you and the toil, the hard work that goes behind it. But I hope you like my setup. I hope you like my fish, and I hope you will come back to watch more of my videos. So until the next video, it's bye bye from Shubhoditya from Sikh Nation. You have a safe night ahead and a wonderful day tomorrow.